Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to make our very own Prism site from start to finish. So we're going to click here to get started for free. And here's all the different themes that Prism Sites offers. We're going to select a photography theme for our website today. We can scroll through here and select any one that looks appealing for us. I really like this Grace Gallery. So we can click here to view a little bit more details. It's a place to put a lot of photos on the home page of our site, which I like. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edit to begin. Now here's the basic theme of the site. We can scroll down and look at more details close up. See all the photos. Down here, a place for contact information and social media links. We'll be editing all of these in this video. So to start, let's go ahead and we're going to edit this title simply by clicking it, clicking Edit Title. And I'm going to change it to Katie Williams Photography. Now you can also change the font, the weight, the style, all these things really easily. Now we're also going to add here a header image because I like the way the website is set up, but I would like to have a main header image when people first view the site. So we're going to click this blue plus to add a new section. And here are all the section types we can add in. We can choose from headers to galleries, to blogs, even a store, tons of different sections. But for headers, we can scroll through here and see the different header templates that we can add in. Now keep in mind all the photos, the buttons, all the text is completely customizable. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to add this section in simply by clicking the green plus sign. Now it's going to ask if you want to apply the website style. Now the website style are things like font color, font size, and type, and we're going to go ahead and say yes please, we want to add that in. Okay, so here's the header image. You see it below our main title bar here. Now we can start editing this header. So to change the background image to one of our own, simply click the image and click Replace Image. You can then choose any photo from your own computer. So we're going to go ahead and drop this photo in here. Okay, that's great. Now you can also customize the way this photo shows up in the header, and we're going to do that. We're going to actually change it to a parallax effect. And you see here that now when we scroll, it has that nice parallax effect. Okay, we also want to change the icon here to our own logo. Grabbing our PNG file here, drop that in. Okay, that's great. And I think it's a little small, so I'm just going to click it and I'm going to resize it just a little bit. Now I'm going to change our subtitle here again by clicking Edit Subtitle. And I also want to change this title here to again be the website name. Okay, so I like my title and my subtitle, but I don't quite like how the subtitle is above the title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the title, go down here to this white box, and just shift that element order up a few. And I'm going to do the same on the subtitle by bringing that element down. There we go. Pretty happy with the way that this header is looking. Now we're going to go down here and edit the main section of the home page. Okay, so over here I don't really need a date to show up, so I'm just going to click this element and I'm going to go down and I'm going to remove this element altogether. Again here, I'm just going to edit this title real quick. Okay. And now to change these photos, again, simply click a photo, replace the image. I'm going to drop this photo in here. Now Prism's going to automatically resize it, you'll see, into the aspect ratio it was shot in. So that's good. We're going to change this guy out. Drop in more of a portrait style image. It's going to resize that again. And we'll change out this photo here. Now in this photo, I would like to bring it in a little bit just to kind of show more of the detail of the photo. So I'm going to go down here, I'm going to click Crop. And we're just going to drag this in here and move it up just a little bit. There, happy with that. So you can go through and change all these photos out as well, or simply remove the element. So down at the bottom of the page, we're going to change this to be the main title again. You can edit your address and phone number here if you'd like. And then here we have our social media icons, and these are cool, so we can click these and edit these, Okay, and it's going to bring up the ability for you to place in your links that go to each of your social media pages. So for here, we can just say, all right, and say I don't have a YouTube, I can simply just delete that. Now in these social buttons, we also can adjust the settings of them. So we change the size. Okay, we're going to keep this at 30 though. And you can also change the spacing. But again, I like how it looked at 5. You can also change the theme of these social icons. It can be just a default. You can change them all to their own color. I prefer, for my page, the round black. Okay, so our home page is looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead here. I'm going to add another page because I'd like to add an About Me page to the website. So I'm going to click this plus and add a page. And I'm going to go down here and I'm just going to select this template for the About page. It's going to ask what I would like to call it, which we'll just say About. Add page. Now it's going to ask if we want to add the page and a link to our menu, which we do want a link from our menu, so we're going to click Yes, please. Okay, and here's this page. Now we can go through here, we can change all of these sections as well. We can change this photo, and we see the information here is what we just set. Now we're going to go back, and I actually want to add another page. I'd like to add a contact page. So we're going to click Add a New Page, and we'll scroll down here. Now you'll see there's a few contact templates that we can choose here. I'm going to go ahead and add this one because you can see in here that there's a contact form, and I want to add that to the site. Click that, and call this page Contact, add the page. Again, do you want to add the link to your menu? Yes, please. Okay, and I'm just going to change this information. Now here we have the email, and what we're going to do is we're going to click this, and we're going to change this. Okay, and down here, here's our contact form. Now we can change any of these questions, even the way that they highlight. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click this, and I'm going to edit this field. What type of photo shoot are you interested in? And then one thing that's important to change when you're adding in a contact form is what happens when they click send. So when they click submit, we want to edit this, and we want, when they submit it, for Prism sites to email me what they have said in the form. So I'm just going to put in my email address here and then a message and save that. Okay, now we can go back to our home page. We'll see here that we have this hamburger menu here, which I don't quite like for a desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this header and I'm going to click settings. Here's our website menu. Now right now we have this hamburger as the menu. I'm just going to click top and close this, and what we'll see is now it has these two subpages as About and Contact, which I like. So with that, our website is complete. We can either save or publish our site. Thanks for watching.